Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how I prepare turmeric fried rice with sausage. So guys can see the sausage. So this turmeric powder here, the turmeric powder, so you guys know the work of turmeric in the body. So the work of turmeric in the body is reducing weight, excess fat in the body. We use turmeric to burn fat, to reduce the weight. So that's why I want to use the turmeric for the rice. I don't want to use curry, because I use curry powder. So I don't want to use curry powder. I want to use turmeric, so that if you have excess fat in your body, it will help you to reduce weight. So I advise you guys to use turmeric to cook your fried rice, so that it will reduce your weight. You have excess weight in your body, it will help you a lot. So here I have my boiled rice. I have onion slice, stock cube, butter, green beans, carrot, salt, and this is the sausage. So the way I will use the sausage, I will not slice it. I will not slice it. So let's start with the rice first. So guys can see the pan on the fire. Now add your butter. Allow your butter to melt before adding onion. Allow your butter to melt. Now add onion. This turmeric fried rice with sausage is very, very yummy. Put your seasoning. Now put the carrot and green. Add little salt. And this is the turmeric. Mix them together. Now pour the rice. This is the sausage you add. I use two. Mix them together. And see, after mix them together, add little water because of the sausage, so that the sausage will done inside. You now leave it like 10 minutes. Let the sausage done and the other vegetable to done. So guys, let's check. Wow, you can see the sausage inside is done. Now off the light. This is turmeric fried rice with sausage. So let me dish it. Wow, so guys can see the turmeric fried rice with sausage. Can see how yummy it is. So I want you guys to try it in your home and see how yummy it is. So let me test it. Can't wait to finish this rice. Wow, it's very yummy. So that is all for turmeric fried rice with sausage. I want you guys to try it in your home and see it. Do it for your children, for your friend or anybody. So if you don't want to put the sausage like this, you can slice it, or you can cut it into two and put it. So if you do like this, you like it, put any protein you want, chicken, beef or anything, or you can eat it with sausage like this. It's okay. So it's a very simple menu. It's not a hard menu. You can see I didn't add thyme, garlic, ginger. Some put all those things for their fried rice, but this one I prepare just for that turmeric. I use that turmeric and prepare it, because turmeric is very good in the body. It reduces weight. So that's why I use that turmeric. I didn't use curry powder, because some use curry powder, use thyme and garlic, ginger, all those things. But I just use only turmeric with other things seasoned. So please kindly subscribe to my channel. I know you guys have been trying for me. I still need your help. Please, see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.